made it back to What's New. As you probably already know, my name's Kelsey with Design Concepts. Today we're actually going to be going over the ever-growing industry of indoor horticulture. Lighting efficiently and properly is key. In this video today, we'll be going over the Beghelli Fiore horticulture lighting solutions. Every plant species has a specific lighting need. We at DCI and Beghelli Fiore understand these needs and can provide you with the proper lighting solutions, whether it be vegetables, fruits, flowers, hemps, or other leafy greens. Replacing conventional greenhouse HPS lighting technologies with our LED systems that are highly efficient in both the ergonomical and energy consumption has great advantages for horticulture, such as shortened grow cycles, increased production yield, improved produce shelf life and taste, as well as color and shape optimization. Beghelli Fiore offers 5 different luminaire series that are customizable to meet the production needs, plug and play for easy installation, slim in design, low in energy consumption, and longer lasting for a lower maintenance cost. Let's start with the Fiore Toplight Plus. This is used for lighting above the crops, and since these are LED, less heat is produced, allowing growers to position the fixtures closer to the plants, thereby optimizing the plant's absorption of light energy. Toplight Combo is similar to the Plus option, but differs in terms of light emitted spectra in order to meet difficult growing requirements. Next we have the Interlight for lighting in between plants. This will make up for the shortage of light coming from the top through a homogeneous distribution that is based on the plant's actual physiological needs. Following up with the circular. This is composed of a single transparent polycarbonate tube designed primarily to promote the growth of small fruits, leafy species, and flowering hemp plants. And last we have the slim option, which is used for microgreens and in micro-propagation sectors in place of neon lamps. We are here to support each other and grow with each other by using the Beghelli Fiore Horticulture Lighting Solution Series. I hope you enjoyed our video today on the Beghelli Fiore. For any design assistance or questions you may have for your next indoor horticulture project, always feel free to reach out to our office. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be kept up to date on our manufacturer's latest lighting products and technologies. Thanks!